Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find the path of a file in Windows 10 step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Method 1, using File Explorer search. Step 1. First, open File Explorer on your PC. Step 2, on the left side panel, select this PC. Step 3, next click on the search bar at the top right corner of File Explorer. Step 4, now type the name of the file you're looking for. Step 5, when the file appears in the search results, right-click on it. Step 6, from the options, select Open File Location. Finally, click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer, and you'll see the full file path displayed. Method 2, using File Properties. Step 1, open File Explorer again. Step 2, right-click on the file you want to find the path for and select Properties from the menu. Step 3, in the Properties window under the General tab, look for the Location field. Step 4, combine the location with a file name to get the full path. For example, it may look something like this: c/users yourname documents filename.ext. And that's it. Thanks for watching.